Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, share video as well. So kule video guys esikhulumeni ngodaba kagogo Maweni nogogo Sikhotheni, esibona ukuthi sebexolelene baye benza i-live baxoxa bonke baxolelana bakhuluma ngodaba lwabo. Abantu basala bemangele ukuthi hawu kanjalo nje bonke ababezingenile Dominic bathi hawu saze sasana. Uyabona ke mangabe ukuthi indaba zababili azingenwa bafowethu ugogo Sikhotheni nogogo Maweni, the way bebelwa ngakhona akekho umuntu obecabanga ukuthi they can just have such a peaceful life. Nami ngithemba ngizwe ukuthi kuzoba ne live gogo Sikhotheni uthe uzohlangana noMaweni umbiza kwi live ngo-8 ngelinye lamalanga nje. Wathi ngicela ningibizeleni uMaweni aze lana sikhulume. Ngathi we le live angifuni nje nokuphuthelwa, ngifuna yazi ngangizitsheleni ngangizitshela ukuthi kuzobe kufiwa lapha kuphi khona peaceful lives. Ugogo Maweni nogogo Sikhotheni baxoxa bahleka, abantu bathi hawu yabona makuthiya zababili azingena kukhulunywa ngale sebexolelene. Ugogo Sikhotheni wayebize abantu laphana kwi-live yakhe, wathi nalabo bantu ke ngabantu ababulawelwa abantu babo ngugogo Maweni, khumbula the precious lady. And ubani komunye kwathiwa ke washona naye ugogo Maweni, she unalived people allegedly, yonke lento. Manje abantu bathi manje ke ama-victims ke lawa ugogo Sikhotheni abulawela abantu ngogogo Maweni since bubabizile babuye bakhuluma lana indaba zavela ukuthi ugogo Maweni wabulala abantu allegedly benendoda yakho Sabelo. Njengoba wena sewuphindelana nomngane wakho uthi nike ngalawo ma-victims ngoba vele bazwakale laphana ku-live kagogo Sikhotheni bekhala ngabantu babo ukuthi yeah, this is what Maweni did to us. Sekuzokwenzekani ngabo njengoba wena sobuyelene noMaweni sebelungisa into zabo sebe-invitana ke kule club kagogo Sikhotheni ukuthi ubuye phela nemali yodokoloshi bakho. Manje ama-victims wena sekumele enze njani ukuya phambili? Kuningi ngizodonsa i-live yagogo Maweni nogogo Sikhotheni ubone mangithi sebexolelene sasala.
Feel like she didn't talk to me aside. She spoke to me about it. We are okay. And there are certain things we won't entertain. But it came to a conclusion that she never did anything to me from where it started. I never did anything to her from where it started. So it was a good thing that we spoke about it, because all this time it was based on the foundation of the conflict between us. It was based on lies.
True.
Yeah, it was based on lies. What she thought, it's not true. What I thought, it's true. It was not true.
And the moral of the story is, if you have an issue, call me. If I have an issue, I will call you. It didn't have to go as far as it went, but I'm happy that we were able to talk and resolve the issue as adults. And like I said, I do apologize. I do see my wrongs as much as we spoke, but I'm just not going to get into it on this thing, Yaluna.
And it's not Monday and Sabo shame. It's not those two. Bona bao ba ithu ba ska nka credit batho ba na
board ke sana ke batla eng lulwane awa not going to happen.
Take credit. They met after we spoke.
Yes, true. So, the next day after we spoke, they met. Anyway, I'm going to see you on the 25th.
Yeah.
That's a move. And unsanele pina eo ke tlo e dlala pina eo ya hao.
You must pop bottles. Your table must be full.
Like bloody hell.
I cannot you must spend. You must spend your money about tikoloshi mola. Tikoloshi, you must spend it there.
Like it spend.
Assembly.
Don't worry. But friend, I did tell you I gotta go.
Okay.
I don't do these live things. I can't.
But do you ever look at after we spoke, ne? Do you ever look at the life and be like, what the fuck was I doing? Like, what's alarm?
Every day after we fight in the morning, I am so embarrassed. I wish I could erase the internet, but it is what it is. I can't do that. I'm just very glad that it's over. You know, it's draining. It's too much. I can't.
Yo, Yo, hona le engwe ntenang.
Dumi kuba untrelle tu. Kuba untrelle. Olane WhatsApp ya. Ka bua ko WhatsApp. Bona live ilani 68K. Wow. Guys. Wow, guys. Wow. We should have made money. I told you we should have made money. We should have did something like etlotisang chalete. But anyway.
But this is bad. The only thing we can't erase what we said to each other, but we can take the apology that happened.
Yeah, and we can move forward. You know, I mean, like I said to you, it's not going to be happy roses from day one. We take it one day at a time. And I mean, at least we are old enough or mature enough to move forward and say, you know what, yes, I messed up and I'm sorry. And
also, I'd like to thank Kehlelezi.
Yeah, he also played a major role in this happening.
Too much. Ising these two mosquitoes. Ising Sabelo and a shame. And also, Kurik, I'd like to make a formal apology on TikTok to your husband.
Yeah, and I sent you my message to your husband. I said I will speak to him when I see him, Kadi 25.
At 25, yeah.
So, yeah, you know, I'm not one.
I miss you when and you promise you still owe me. So scambora.
I owe you a lot.
I still need to eat your money. You owe me a massage. You owe me.
Don't worry.
You owe me. You owe me.
Actually, I told you what's going on with me, so please take it slow, okay?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ariana,
keep quiet.
Thank you.
No, thank you. But we'll talk on WhatsApp.